I like a big whopper. What is it? Fine?
No. Normal. Wait. For me, it's
For zone manager.
Go fine. Hold on, yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey.
The fuck do you want?
Alright, just one more and then we're up.
Cunt.
I'll press it, don't press it.
Is black good
Just
enough?
go in.
Guys, behind you!
Man.
Don't do this to me, man. Please.
Wait.
Don't do this to me. Please. I am innocent. Okay, don't do this to me. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, he's sexing with me. Oh, why are you... You're going down my health just by being near me? Oh.
There was the electric thing. Oh! I just saw it. I just saw that happen.
The lamest.
He kind of jumped.
Yeah, they used to let you jump up on the little corners, you know what I mean? And like kind of hide behind the door in those hallways, and I couldn't get up.
Damn.
Thomas always falls for it.
Evan came out of the pocket dimension right at the exit.
Pull him out.
Guys, I'm friendly. I'm friendly if you're up here.
The warhead starts up, by the way, if you didn't know.
I didn't.
Got a gun. Big one. What was that?
Did he just juice it?
He juiced. Oh!
He used the juice, and for what?
Okay.
Oh no!
Oh,
fucking
back
way.
in the Alpha Warhead? Thomas will never guess.
He won't know.
He
He has to
actually
stay
would
here for a bit,
never.
though.
Turns the nuke off.
Evan is going to wait long enough that Thomas
Thomas
will
is
come
back
back.
down.
Yeah.
No fucking
Oh,
way. Sorry, I mean the warhead.
He's literally coming down. He's literally coming down the elevator right now.
It starts down. The elevator starts down. That's what I meant.
He won't check, right? He's just gonna turn it off and he's gonna leave.
Ah.
Oh my god.
Thomas!
He's come back!
Thomas!
No way, dude.
Does Evan know now?
He doesn't know.
He really went, shit, did I leave the warhead on?
Where's he gone? This ability is wild. Can he just do this?
Mobile Task Force Unit Epsilon 11 designated Victor.
Okay, what's the game plan? What are we doing here?
We're gonna sacrifice.
Oh, we could have just done the
That's
nuke,
true.
couldn't we?
No, we need
Oh.
05. We need Evan's
Yeah.
05 for that.
Is it here?
Yeah. There's no sacrifice in his birth room, and we can't use it. Like, took it out of the game.
Huh?
Like it's worded up. Like you can't get in there. There's no button to press.
Slap a grenade on that shit.
Oh, we could try. We could try.
It's grenade proof, but
Oh, I thought you were the guy.
No way. Nice coin.
that elevator. Did you put that up?
I don't know.
I think Evan might have actually left to the surface.
That would not be surprising.
I'm gonna go and check the surface for Evan.
Okay.
You think he's in here again?
That would be fucking hilarious. Evan's hiding in the corner. The game plan against Old Man is grenades. Bullets don't really work very well.
Well, I have one grenade. Oh, hey! Oh, I alt-tabbed. Fuck.
Welcome.
Thanks. Oh, you died.
I was actually up there in that room. I survived 3 times against the old man.
We saw you hiding, and he flipped the switch.
Yeah, then I flipped it back after he fucking left.
Yeah.
He didn't even check.
Oh, you're dead too? No. I tried to float a grenade,
But
and I
then,
This, yeah, so true.
uh-oh.
She knows. She had to have heard.
I don't think so.
Oh no, she didn't hear it. Why did you stop?
Oh my god.
Take him off. Lame. Lame.
Round.
Lame.
Fucking finally, holy shit.
Lame.
That would I finally found out how to pull out the micro whatever the
The amount of fucking just one. I got Evan like twice and he somehow managed to get away with it. Like,
he was
live.
really lucky. That's crazy.
God. I was waiting for you to, you flipped the switch and I waited for you to walk away and go down the elevator and then I flipped it back up.
That lap dance was really good.
Yeah.
The lap dance? Oh, you watched that?
Really? You came for me! You really came for me! I don't like this. This is a bad touch. No. I'm running.
Fuck. Thomas, wait.
They have the armory. Come on, man. You're just giving them access to the armory.
I'm in light now.
Okay, I think he got Ross. Why'd you lock me out?